Wagwan, massive.
You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we're back today with another video. You don't know from your seaway. Yeah, I'll be a niceness. So today's video is about us rating each other's old photos.
Old photos, y'all. So like we'll say about probably
over 5 years ago.
Yeah. We choosing the photos where we think where we thought we was the shit at, you know what I'm saying? We thought like, oh, we bad in these photos. So the photos we chose are photos at the time we thought was real dope photos. So we gotta rate, you know.
I'm laughing already. Because I know his photos would look so weird. Alright, let me stop. Alright guys, but before we get into this video, don't forget to like,
subscribe
if you're new, and don't forget to hit that share button and blow up the comment section. Alright? Who going first?
Rock, paper, scissors, let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors.
You cheated because you wait, do it over.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Nah.
Okay, so
I'll
you go
win.
first.
Always.
I was gonna do paper.
Oh wait, that means you go first.
I gotta go first?
Yes, I choose. The winner choose who go first. And I say you go first.
Alright, fine. This was when I was still in high school, I think. But I was in Chicago. But I was still in high school.
Can I look now?
Yes.
Okay.
What? I thought I was a stuff when I was...
Okay. Alright, this how my skill gonna work. You get 2 points for chest, 2 points for booty, 2 points for...
What? That's not how that works.
That's how I'm rating mine, alright?
No! So you gotta rate the overall photo.
I am, yep. I'm judging the whole photo. It'll be 2 points for waist, 2 points for looks, 2 points for hair, alright?
Y'all hear this?
Alright, so you get 2 points for the hair, and on breast, and on booty. So you get everything else. So that picture right there is a 6. You're a 6.
You a D.
Out of 10, that picture get a 6.
You a D.
You cute though, or whatever, you know.
You a D, babe.
Got that big old forehead, you know. You know the forehead big when the bang gotta go all the way down here to cover the eye. You know what I'm saying?
Whatever, just.
That bang long as heck. It only cover one eye. All right, here go my first photo, y'all.
Let me see.
Look. I thought I was a stuff in this picture, though.
He sure did with that smug look. Look at him with that fro. You swear, bro. And you got the chest arm open. What you got showing? Your bird pigeon chest.
I don't even know how old this photo was.
Man,
this photo,
you better chill out.
I was in high school.
You look like Tyrone right here. Oh my God. You get a 4 for this, because I don't know what that is.
Dang, a 4?
Yes, you only getting a 4 because you cute now.
I had the Soldier Boy eyebrow cut and everything.
Whatever. I don't know why you thought that picture was cute.
That was like my first smartphone.
He thought that picture was cute.
I had the serious face in there. You know what I'm saying?
For my number 2 picture, I'm going to go ahead and pick this one.
Okay. All right. Okay. So 2, 4. 6,
really?
8. Okay. All right. I'll give you an 8 on that one.
You gonna give me an 8?
Okay. Yeah, it look good. You know what I'm saying? Look good. That's a nice photo and everything. But I don't like them eyebrows. All right.
Don't do my eyebrows.
Are way
Let me tell you
too long.
something. Don't do my eyebrows.
Them
At
eyebrows
that time, that's the
long.
eyebrows that was wearing. Okay. So don't do my eyebrows. My stuff was looking good.
Nah.
You a hater.
That almost look like you trying to draw like an outline of some glasses or something.
You a hater, Jessie. Quit being a hater like that. Dude, you a hater. Go ahead, show me a little funky photo.
Sunshine.
Show me a little funky picture.
Boots. Don't do me, Jessie. All right.
Don't
Number
do
two.
me.
You ready?
Yeah.
Number two, y'all.
Alright, Mr. Sharp.
You know what I'm saying?
This was your prom picture. I know. You was
Yeah.
looking sharp. I ain't even gonna lie. But you with these damn glasses looking like Ray Charles' son. Let me stop. But why you got to wear these dark glasses? I bet you wore them at night too, didn't you?
You funny. I was indoors though.
Alright, I'll give you.
I just had the shades on for the look. I know some people out there, you know what I mean. Y'all just put the shades on just for the look.
I'll give
Even
you.
though it's dark as hell, you still have shades on. I was just doing it because it was fancy. You know? So what you gonna give me? Go ahead, let's hear it.
I'll give you a little 10.
A 10?
You did your little thing.
Holy smokes, you get a whole 10, y'all.
You did your little thing.
A whole 10.
For your little prom.
All right. Cool, we got a 10 on that one.
Alright, next photo. So this is number 3 for me. Number 3. What do you think?
You look like, in this photo, those girls who go to the casino or go to where them rich people at.
You funny.
And what is it called? What are them people called?
What?
Escort.
Jessie, I do not look like
in
no
this
escort.
photo, like an escort, babe. You do. Because escort.
Don't fight words. Get your hand off my
Escorts be having
phone.
down
I don't
here.
look like no escort.
Like, hey, what's your name? What are those here? Got a room upstairs.
You about to get punched
Okay,
right in your
anyways,
nose.
let me judge you though. Okay. Okay. Face too, you know what I'm saying? 4, 6, 8. You 8 on this one too, okay? The reason why is because you're way too skinny on this one. Like, look at your arms.
That's just the angle.
Nah, you skinny.
That is just the angle. I used a
skinny.
selfie stick. You remember selfie sticks?
Where that selfie stick at?
Right there in my hand.
Oh.
So it was the angle that I had it from that made my arms look like that. But my arms wasn't that skinny.
Okay. So if you was an escort, I'll have you escort me to my room. So we good. Yes.
No, because you called me an escort.
What's wrong with that?
I'm
That's
not
a
no
good thing.
escort.
I mean,
Move.
you know, at least you're a good looking escort.
Shut up. No. That is not, that I don't, Now calling me an escort.
Hey, I'm being real.
No, that ain't real. That's rude.
Number 3, y'all. And everything. That picture.
This where you had your little mustache and your beard and
I had a
everything.
little, all that. Just all that growing and everything.
You
Like,
thought you was the stuff.
I look Italian, so I look like something else though.
Boy, bye.
Y'all didn't know I'm part Indian. I got a little bit of Indian in my blood, so just like
A
you know,
7.
You know what I'm saying? A 7?
That's what I said.
A 7. Okay.
I don't know what I was thinking back then. Thought that was cute.
I don't know what I thought.
Because I was so in love with you. I don't know why. I was in love with that there right there.
I thought I was the stuff too, you know, all the time, but
I guess it was the times.
Alright, your picture, let's go. Number 4, y'all. Her fourth picture. Her 4th picture.
Number 4. This hair right here.
Okay. Alright. I like the hair. The shape is good. Nice. Alright, that photo right there. No complaints on. I give that one a 10, y'all. She get a 10 on that one because that's a bad one right there.
Whatever. This
I'll give you that one right there. In the hair, you know what I'm saying? The hair real nice right there. You know? Number 4. I was young. This is probably my youngest photo. But man, I was sharp, boy. I was like, woo! Woo, boy! I was sharp, boy. I'm telling you.
Really?
I thought I was in that boy like.
Really,
chilling.
babe? Really? You picked this picture out of all pictures?
The pictures where I think I was sharp on. That's what you gotta rate.
Since this is what our son is gonna look like in the future, I'm gonna go ahead and say 10.
For 10?
Yeah.
No complaints, huh?
Just because that's what I think my son gonna look like. So my son don't get less than 10, honey.
Oh, you funny. What about me though? What about you? I get a 10.
You heard me.
Okay.
I said what I said.
All right. She gave me a 10, y'all.
Because of my son, not because of
Those points are adding up. Let's get it. What's your next one?
This the one right here.
Okay. Okay. The forehead a little big, but besides the forehead being
I'm about to get the swinging on you. Because you talking about me too much.
Zoom in on that forehead. That's a 5 head right there.
And yours ain't. Look at this, y'all. Cause don't be trying to talk about my forehead. Cause you know your forehead huge.
My hell. All right, this one. It's a sexy photo. I'm gonna give one a 9. Only because instead you can't get the whole 2 points because of the forehead.
This was number 5, right?
But that is a good picture though. You get a 9 on that.
Number 5.
Yep, number 5. Boy, when I was in high school, I'm telling you, I thought I was the shit. This is the. I'm telling you, you want to. Every social media platform I had, this was my profile picture. I thought this was the best picture I ever took in the whole world, y'all. I thought I would never take no picture better than this one. Y'all ready for it? Here you go. Oh dang, I'm sorry.
He's salty.
Boom. I thought I was so sexy on that picture, yo.
You better go somewhere and Harry Potter looking ass. No, but it get a 7.
7? Okay. I'm on my line and a little scratched up. See a little scratched up right there. Come on, right there.
It get a 7.
Alright, 7.
I ain't even gonna explain why it get a 7.
Why?
That's it. That's all. Number 6.
Oh, come on now. This is actually one of my favorite pictures. This one, I think this is my profile picture.
Yeah, it was for the longest.
Yeah, I know this one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this one a 9 only because you can't see the behind. But I know it's there.
No.
I know it's there.
No, that's not fair. Okay, if I show you the behind, you gonna give me the 10 like I rightfully deserve?
Is it the same photo? That's not the same photo.
It's the same outfit. Yes.
Go back. Oh yeah, okay. Let's show them both. Okay, you get a 10. You get a 10 on that one. You get a 10 on that one. So you gotta make sure you show both of those pictures.
Why?
You get a 10 on that. Them sexy though. You know, I like that photo.
I know, that's why I put it on there.
both of these next 2 photos is when I first started working out. You ready?
Let me see.
I got my little abs in. I said, boom!
I knew you was coming with that. I knew you was coming with that. You swear, boy. You swear.
I was biting the lip and everything.
You swear. But I can't lie though. You know you my boo and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you your little 9.
A 9, okay.
Yup.
I'm surprised you got a 9. My hair is jacked. Oh.
That's the reason why you got a 9.
I had my glasses on and everything, y'all, my bifocals.
Looking all sexified.
You gotta stop. I was underage in this photo. You can't say that.
I can say that.
I was underage in this photo.
First of all, you older than me. My number 7.
Show me.
My number 7.
Show us.
My number 7.
What is it?
My number 7.
I wanna know.
My number 7.
What it is.
Ba-bam! My number 7. My number 7.
Alright. This back when you was modeling, right?
Was it? I think it was back in that time, yeah.
I'm trying to find
Bootsalicious. Don't find nothing on there. Just go ahead and use my little 10.
Only thing I can really cook is the 5 head. You already know.
Don't talk about my forehead, because you know yours is huge too.
I don't know, the chin look a little long on here too.
Don't even. Just go ahead and give me my little 10, because you a hater.
The teeth nice and white though. You know what I'm saying? Really good clean.
He a hater, y'all. He just can't never just give me my little 10 and my props. Ain't nothing wrong with this photo. Nothing.
Your kneecap look a little
I'm about to stop.
Okay. Alright. That's a sexy picture though. I give you a 10.
Rightfully
The
so.
last one. I give you a 10
Rightfully so, because I deserve that 10. You hear me?
The chest is good. The back is good. The
Yup.
face is good.
Yup.
The hair is good. The body is good. I should give you a 9 for that chin, but
Don't do my boy.
I give you a 10.
Cause I can don't start with me.
I give it to you. I give you to this one. All right. My last picture. My last picture, y'all. Don't laugh at me, okay? I was trying to flex in this picture without flexing. You know what I'm saying? This is one of my old pictures. I had my own gym, my own basement, and everything, and I was, I was cut. I thought I was getting big, y'all. I was only 160 pounds. I thought I was huge. Bam. That's
You
why I was
thought you
so
was a
cut.
stuff, boy.
Used to work out a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? I was real fit and skinny, you know what I'm saying? I was good.
Nah.
What's that, number 7?
This I give you a 5. I give you a little 5.
That's the lowest one I had was a 4, so from a then to now photo, just so you can have a good taste of what I look like now in the flesh, it's beautiful.
Boy, they can see you.
This is one of my favorite photos right now. This is extra
Yo,
photo.
he's so
This
extra.
photo right here is the bomb right here, okay.
This photo right here.
What do y'all rate this photo?
This photo right
you
here.
can't rate this photo.
No, hold on.
Y'all
Let me say
gotta rate
something
this
right quick.
photo.
Let me say something right quick.
What is this?
Let me say something right. No, don't start that because I can go through my phone and get me some photos.
Just one. Just
Okay,
one.
let me go ahead and
one
find
photo
mine.
for them to rate. Y'all
Let
rate
me go
this
ahead
photo.
and find
This is
mine
my-
because you act like you the only one that can find some photos.
This photo
up
was
here.
taken last year. Okay.
Bam.
Okay.
So we can go through pictures all day, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so y'all have to rate this last picture. You have to rate my last picture. You got to rate her last picture. And be honest with us. Tell us what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? 0 being the worst, 10 being the best. All right, guys. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed the video. We definitely did. It was super fun to me. It was fun to you?
Yeah.
Cool. Sometimes you gotta do stuff like this because you never know, you know what I'm saying, what the partner thinks of you in the past. We used to take a trip to the past, you know what I'm saying? And now I know she used to think I was a foe. That's it. Plain and simple.
No,
I used to be a foe.
let me just say, at the time, you know what I'm saying, I might have thought you was cute. But now looking back at it, I was like, what the hell?
Man, I thought I was cute too. I thought I looked good
too. I'm just playing, baby. I'm just playing.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have.
Good luck for the rest of the year.
Until next time, you guys, stay smooth, stay blessed, stay safe. We love those who love us. You guys, good night.
We so weird.